buy this kind of cream. Because my daughter has a skin asthma. This is not cheap. It's around 680 pesos. This big, 680 pesos. Imagine. So I'm near to the store, to the clinic I mean, and I will get one. Already got the goods, the cream for my daughter. I got my SIM also already. What else? I'm going to the office right now. Medyo traffic pa, so anyways, ganyan talaga ang buhay. So I will update you later.
For the NBA Finals, so what's your team?
Yeah.
But
NBA Finals, by the way. 9:41 AM. I'm late. In the middle of our street, our house. I think, guys, there's an accident involving a dump truck and a motorcycle, and the traffic getting worse. God, what happened? Oh my God. Oh well. Here, guys, I put all the network cables. This is what I call the cable management. DIY, do it yourself. Just a plain wood attached to this table. And yeah, I will update you soon here. Okay.
Few inches later.
We checked that there's no more cables down. It's all up here. That's our cable management. And so far the computer are online. So meaning, yeah, ready to figure the network out. It's okay now. installing the cable management DIY. I already hook up all the network cables, the power plug, the keyboard, the mouse, and everything is okay. So hopefully by Monday, because it's Saturday today, they will be surprised because there's no more wires in the ground. There's no more. It's like a trash before. So hopefully they will be surprised. Yes, they will be surprised, and they will give me credits for that. Okay.